Hey everybody, we've got another full-size 5-string banjo here for its completed work demo. This one's got a 5-piece curly walnut and pistachio neck, curly walnut and pistachio block rim with no metal tone ring, all wood construction. Brass hardware from Brooks Maston in Portland, Oregon, and lovely pistachio fretboard and head plate. Really like the red streaks in this one, and the curly walnut is nice. This one's going to Marshall. Yeah, I'm really pleased with this one. It felt nice to do 2 of these in a month, kind of get back in the rhythm of making the full-size 5 strings, and I hope to do more real soon. Thanks a lot.